Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Cacao Gua, and in today's video I'm going to unbox this present which I've got from Korean Tourism Organization in Turkey. And before to start, I really want to show you my gratitude for this present. I haven't opened it for weeks because I waited this moment when I will sit in front of the camera and I will show you what is inside, and we both will be surprised. Thank you so much, and I really appreciate your effort for giving me this prize. I received this prize as a K-Friend, which is a new name for supporters for Korean Tourism Organization around the world. And since we don't have an office here in Bulgaria, Bulgarian K-Friends are actually part of the K-Friends from Istanbul. I will open this box together with you. I'm really excited. It looks so big, you can see. Actually, I had a lot of troubles getting this box because it was shipped by DHL and it was such a horrible experience. Believe me, I had so many things to do. It took me around 1 month to release this box from the custom and to tell them that this is a gift and I haven't purchased anything from Korea or Istanbul, and it took a lot of time and it get all my nerves. But at the end, it has happy end. Yeah, I don't know if it has any sense. Actually, it's kind of tradition to make unboxing video in my channel, and I can continue doing this, but I'm not sure if I will receive enough presents to continue. Okay, that's too much talking, and let's start with unboxing. It's really beautiful. You can see they put so much effort on making it looking so cute. Okay, it's starting. Okay. It's time. Wow. Look at this. That's amazing, really. Okay, I will show you what's inside like this. I can see so many beautiful things. I don't know what to grab. Okay, this box, Korea Tourism Organization. Should I open it together with you? It's something heavy, but I really like how everything is packed. Wow, are these folks? So cute. I don't know. Is it a dress? I have no idea. Okay. It's a mini bag. Wow, look at this. I love it. I really love it. I will open it to see what is it inside, because it still has something. Okay. Oh, I'm confused. It has a logo here. Oh wait, this is not a mini bag. This is a backpack. It's a huge backpack. This was exactly what I needed for. Wow. Look at this. When I go back to school, I will use it. I love it. This is my thing, to hug the presents I received. I love the gray color, and it has fox on it. I love them. I really love them. And this logo over here is the most precious thing, because I will go around my town and I will say, yeah, I'm part of Korea Tourism Organization. Kind of like this. I will unzip it. This is how it looks. It's really big. I mean, look at it. That was unexpected, actually. Thank you so much. And I will continue with the other things. Here there's some instructions as usual. Actually, there's so many, and I won't read them now. Oh wow, this is perfectly amazing. The ideal present ever. I don't have one. I'm even using my phone to make my videos, but now I have an instant mini camera. That's so amazing. I will capture all my moments in my life with this, and I will have it forever. Thank you. I really mean it. Thank you so much. So I will grab this. It's so cool. Wow. It has this one here. I'm not sure. Look, we're so stylish. I can't wait to make a picture with this camera. And to be safe, it will be here. Okay. They even sent me sheets. I mean, I can start to use it right now, which is amazing, absolutely amazing. You can see, so beautiful. Everything is amazing, really. Aren't they so I have no words. It's an album where I can put the memories I collected and captured with this camera. Everything is so stylish. It has this minimalistic style and vibe that gives you all these things that are so professional. I mean, look at this. I have everything to start a journey where I can capture all the things. A few months ago, I received another present, which was packed like this. It will be really interesting if it has the same. What is it? It's pink. I like that everything has the logo. Oh, it's a passport case, right? Am I right? I like that everything matches somehow with the other parts of the gift. I really like this. Yes, thank you. Thank you so much. I'm not going anywhere for now, but in future I will use it with proudly upturned head, I guess. And the last thing, I think this one should be the first one, but this is on the end. This is a message from Korea Tourism Organization, and you can see they sent it on 31st of December last year, and I received it before a few weeks, a long time. It took so much time, really. And what they say is one text, one message in Turkish. I cannot read Turkish and I have no idea what are they saying, but there is English translation, and I will read it for you because I want to share this moment, even if it's personal. Hello, congratulations on being a K friend. Yay, thank you. I wish you a healthy and peaceful new year. Thank you. It's almost the 3rd month of it. Thank you. If you take a photo with your gift and send it to info@ktoturka.com until 15 January 2020, well, I missed this date, we will be happy to share it on our social media accounts. Thank you. Soyun Park, KTO Istanbul Director, K Friends. That's adorable. Thank you so much to all of you K Friends who put so much effort and did amazing work during our program as K Friends, which is going to restart in next month, actually March. Something else is I couldn't open this, I couldn't see this message and to take a picture and send it to you because there were a lot of troubles for me in receiving this box, and hopefully I get it at any cost. It cost me a lot actually, but I'm so happy because you prepared all of this with so much love. Even if you send me only this, I really appreciate it, and I will have it forever. I will read it whenever I have my mental breakdowns and other breakdowns. So thank you again, 감사합니다, and I will look forward to work with you as a K friend and to support Korean Tourist Organization. Thank you all for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed, and it's kind of message to all of you because I want to tell you just to follow yourself, your dreams, your hopes, and everything you like to do, because if you only want to see results without putting effort, then nothing will work, and everything we are constantly doing it right now will have its effect a few months or years later. So never give up, love yourself and love what you do, and you will see that others will find to love it such as you do. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and anything you want, and see you in my next video. Bye!